Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another AutoCAD demonstration. Alright, so this first screenshot here, I'm just going to go over these screenshots and we'll do one of them as the demo for this video. Alright, so for this one, it's pretty simple. I started out with a rectangle and then I added 4 circles on the midpoints of each line. So the exercise was getting familiar with the trim function, or the trim command, which is TR is the shortcut for the trim command. So that was pretty easy. All I had to do was select the line that was going to be the base point, and then all the other lines that I select after that are the ones that will be trimmed back to the first point. So that was it. This one, again, this is dealing with the trim command. I started out with the circle here, and what I did was I just drew the line straight across, or placed the line straight across and diagonally. Then the instructions were to trim it to where the lines only cross on this inside circle here. That's pretty simple. In this screenshot here, it was to get familiar with the extend command, so which is EX is for the shortcut for extend. First point is you want to select the line that you want the other lines to extend to, so it's this one here. Then you select all these and they'll extend to that one. Easy, easy, easy. For this one, like the tic-tac-toe looking thing, what I did was I started out with 2 rectangle, which is REC, rectangle objects, which is REC, and 1 horizontal and 1 vertical. And because rectangle is just one solid object, I had to use the explode command, which is X for explode, which breaks these rectangles up into lines, which allows me to delete these selected lines, which you see are already gone. And then I just had to place these circles in these 2 X's right here. To keep it consistent, I just copied like this circle, and I just copied them to keep the size the same. And the same for these X's. Easy, easy exercise. This one, we're going to come back to that one because that's the one we're going to do for the demonstration. This one, what I did was I created the horizontal lines, then the vertical lines, and I had 1 circle out here. And the instructions were to just copy the circle at these specific points. The thing was that I needed to make sure I was using, or I had the correct object snap, OSNAP selected. So for this one is intersection, for this one is center, for this one it is the 3 o'clock position of the circle. You know, this is the 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So yeah, that was simple. For this one, it was all about the fillet command, or the shortcut for fillet is F. That's just making radii on the corners of the actual rectangle. So I started out with a rectangle, and then I just put the correct radius that they instructed for each corner. So I think this was like maybe 50 or 75, and this was 0.25. pretty simple. And this one, all three of these were chamfer, the chamfer command. So with the chamfer command, you have two distance points that you need to specify. So yeah, this one was pretty much the same. I think it was 0.75 for each one of these corners, or 0.50, 0.50, and this one was 0.75, 0.75. I think this was like 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. Yeah, that's pretty simple. Okay. And with this one, I believe instead of just doing the two points, one or the two distance points, one was distance and the other one was an angle. So all you got to do is make sure you're paying attention to the command line, and you can figure out, exactly what it is that you need to do to achieve the result that you're looking for. All right, so enough of that. This is the actual object that we're going to be drawing. It's like a side view of a car. And I picked it because it was, different, I guess. Not so mundane. So what I'm looking at here is the tires, body of the car, got like half circles here, steering wheel, door. I guess this is like some sort of decals or whatever, so this is what we're going to be doing. So let's get started.
Alright, so we're going to start with the wheel. Command for that is the O, the donut. Inside diameter, it's going to be 0. Outside diameter, we're going to make 0.25. That's fine. Place it anywhere, it's good. Alright, so do another one, outside diameter. Guess we can make that like 0.75. 0.25. That's cool. I'm going to put that here for now. Make sure. Select my proper OSNAP settings. Alright, oops. Okay. Now I want to make them. There. Okay. Right, now I'm going to use the trim command. TR. This is mine. This is mine. Zoom in here. And we want to trim this and this. Okay. Now we get rid of these temporary dot lines. And that one. And to close this up, we're going to use a 2-point circle. Okay. Right here. Same over here. Oh. And down. 2-point circle. And right here. I'm going to have to trim this one up too, so TR trim, just like this here, get out the way. Yeah. Oh, and for the donuts, they're supposed to have no fill, so we'll turn it off. And then to regenerate the picture, so it's accurate. As you can see, there's no fill, it's not solid on the inside. Alright. So, what we want to do now is we can copy this, because we need 2 sets of wheels, so we'll do CO, shortcut to copy. Grab on it. Select the base, move that over about, there's good. One enough space. Alright, so now we can start making the body of the car. Alpha line. Let's see, we can start about here. We'll go out there, it's fine. side here. Up there. Hold the shift key down to make that line diagonal. There's good. Use the running snap. Get the line here. And that's the body. Alright, let's see. Now we need to make tip line all snap settings. Definitely want nearest. That should be good. Alright, so another line. Line command. It's not coming up to me. Try this up here. Okay, this one a little bit. Put this detail in. See this one too. 7 of these. Try and fit 7 in there. Copy. Snip. Base point. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Snip. Alright. Zoom back out. And we'll get to cleaning this up at the end. Okay, circle command. Put these kind of like lights on there. 2 point. 1 and 2 point. For this one, I am going to use center. Here. Here. And I'm just going to copy this one so they stay consistent. Going to copy. Select this. Here. On here. Okay. Let's focus on the door. Line command. Right there's good. There's no measurements on this, so it's just, you know, eyeballing it. Trying to make it as close to and accurate as possible. And there's good. And there. And there. Alright, for this one, I guess I can use the ellipse command. That should work. Yeah, let's try that. So, I'm gonna just do, no, not ellipse command, that's not gonna work. We're gonna try the arc. Yeah. Maybe more here. We'll just do a circle. Two-point circle. And we'll write this here, like here, and then I can just trim it to here and here. Alright, so do the window of the door. There. There. Keep throwing this out. So we close it. Alright, got another door handle. So put that on there. And then let's see. Let's do the decals over here. POL, poly. The 6 sides. Do the center point. Circumscribe is fine. Let's see, that's a good size. So we're just going to copy this one so it stays consistent size. Here. 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 Alright, and then I have one last thing here, other than cleaning it up with the trim command is stairwell. So, here. Two. That's good. That's good. Zoom in here. And we'll put another one, so there. Oops. So there. Cool. Alright. I'm going to trim this up. see our keyboard here. And the design command, we'll do the inner handles. That's good. Here. That's good. That's good. Zoom out. And all we've got to do now is just trim up circles. Here. Clean that up, move that, and the tires. Here. Okay, and trim this one here. Okay, that's it. The gallows, some of the tires. That is all. Take a screenshot. Yep, that's it. It's a little bit longer, but it's basically the same thing. No dimensions, so it's going to be a little different. Alright, so if you have any questions, post a comment, let me know. It's a really easy exercise. Alright guys, stay tuned for the next video. See you soon.